Hi,
Uh,
my name is Seche Park.
Hi, I'm Hannah. So we analyze this program. So first we allow the user to put any numbers which is greater than 0. And I assume the number end with the 0. So I made while loop here. So which is number is not equal to 0. It means as long as the number is not equal to 0, the code in the loop will run over and over again. So in the loop statement, we made if and else statement. So first if else statement said the number is greater than the previous max value, we assign 1 to count. And if the number is equal to the max number, we assign 1 to count. And if the number is not equal to, if the number is equal to 0, we jump to this statement system.out.println, and we end of this the code.
Right. So just kind of going over real quick again. I named our class max value because that's the name that we had in the assignment. And of course, we have our main method here asking for the scanner input so we can gain input from our user. And kind of going over what these variables here are. So the num input, we assigned it to be the number that the user inputs, and it will help us determine whether that number is going to be a max or if it's just another random number, or if it's going to be our exiting sequence, which is 0. And max and count, I initialized it to 0 just for a placeholder, but of course it'll change during the while loop. And of course, here is our while loop. We had it as num when it doesn't equal 0 to be executed, because when it is 0, that's our exiting sequence. And if it is 0, then I'll just jump to the end and I'll finish the program out for us. But if it's not 0 and it inserts a number for us other than that, then it'll determine if that number is a max, or if the number is, it'll have a number, and if that number is bigger than our previous max, then I'll change the number. Otherwise, it'll just add a number if it is the same number as the max. Otherwise, if it doesn't, it'll just skip the whole if else if loop, or if else if method, and we'll go on to this final, which asks for the number input again, which will run the while loop again. Yeah, just to go over a couple of samples, let's run this program a couple times. Let's start with the ones that are in the assignment. So 3, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, and 0. And the output says that the largest number is 5, and the occurrence of the largest number, 5, is 4 times, which is true. I can do it one more time with the second one that was on the assignment. So 3, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 0. And it says the largest number is 6, which is true, and it only happens once. Let's just do one more for good measures. Just put some random numbers in there. 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, 6, 7, 4, 6, 8, 8. And end it with a 0. And it says our largest number was 8, and it happened 3 times. So that was our project about having numbers in a loop to get the biggest number and how many times it comes out. Thank you.
Thank you.